So guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can passively make some money for yourself from the internet. You can make up to $50 every day from this project. Okay, you can make up to $100. It all depends on you, but in a jiffy, let me quickly show you first and foremost how you can get registered on this platform, and also I'm going to be showing you the strategy you have to use to make some funds for yourself from this project. Okay, then first and foremost you need to register. So let me quickly take you here. I'm going to be dropping a link in the description of this video. Check the first link of the description in this video. When you click on that link is going to bring you here. Okay, now if that link brings you here, you just need to put in your email address here, you put in your password. Okay, you repeat your password there, you put your Telegram channel here, a group here, your Telegram handle here. Then the invite code is going to show you automatically. Okay, as soon as you click that link in the description. Now when you do that, all you just need to do is just to click on this button. Now when you click on that button, automatically it will bring you to this kind of interface. Okay, so here quickly let me come down here and show you something. Okay, if you click on this VIP, you see this VIP down here. When you click on that VIP, it's going to bring you to this interface. Okay, so you can see different kind of investments here that you can put in your funds and you can begin to make money automatically. Okay, now minimum you can actually start with this business is as low as $7. So if you have $7, you can kickstart this business, and the maximum you can put into this project is actually $10,800. So the particular one, or the amount of money you want to start, is up to you. You can see you can start with $7, you can start with $30, you can start with $90. Okay, now the higher the money you put into it, the higher your profit. Okay, so quickly let me show you something that I know you are very interested in. Okay, so you can see this $7 here. Okay, let me even first and foremost show you that I just put in some money to show you how this thing actually. You can see I just came in with some balance, with some funds here, which is the $7, just to show you how this thing works. You can see I'm on this one already. Okay, but let me go back to the VIP and show you what you need to know here. Okay, so on this VIP now, you can see if you come in with this $7, you're going to be earning $1.10 every day. If you come in with just $30, you're going to be earning $4 every day. If you come in with $90, you're going to be earning $15 every day. You can see how lucrative this project is. If you come in with $300 every day, you are assured of gaining $50 profit. You can see daily profit $50 every day if you come in with $300. Now the beauty of this project is that if you have just $1, you can make your withdrawal. Why, right? But you can only make withdrawal once a day. But provided you have $1 in your account, you can start making withdrawal, right? And one thing is this project actually just launched about a day ago. So this project is just a day older from the time I'm making this video. So if you want to jump on it, it's an opportunity for you now. Okay, all you just need to do to get started is to go up here, right? You're going to click on this deposit here, right? When you click on this deposit here, it's going to bring you here, right? Now remember, the deposit only accept TRC20, okay, USDT TRC20. So you're going to copy this link here. You can see copy successfully. Then you're going to go to your exchange. It could be Binance, it could be KuCoin, it could be MetaMask, it could be Trust Wallet, anywhere. Then just send the TRC20 amount of money. Let's assume you want to start $300, $200. Just send that amount to this wallet, to this crypto address. Okay, now when you send it to this TRC20 crypto address, is going to appear in your account here. Okay, now if you have it in your account here, it's going to, the money is going to show here. Then the next thing you need to do is for you to go and pick a package. Okay, so let's assume you sent like $300 into your wallet account here. You're going to come down here and click on this VIP, right? When you click on this VIP, it's going to bring you here, right? Then you're going to come down here, you're going to click on this 300 USDT here. That's going to be giving you 50 USDT. Now I'm just using this as an example. You can decide to choose this 900, you can decide to choose $90, you can decide to choose $30, you can decide to choose $7. Okay, then all you just need to do is to click on this here. All you just need to do is just to click on this. when you click on this, then automatically you pick the package. Okay, then every day you begin to earn the corresponding profit. Okay, you can see this one is $4 every day. Okay, you can see this one is $15 every day. You can see this one is $50 every day. So I will advise you to just click on that link in the description of this video so that you get to see everything for yourself. Okay, so let me use this particular one that I choose as an example for you. If I go back home here now, right, if I click here and I go back home here, this is the very one you can see is showing green here because it's unlocked. You can see this button is no longer here. All you just need to do, if I click here now, it's going to bring me here, right? Then every day I just need only one task to do. It's just to come up here, then you click on this, go to finish. Okay, if I click on it, it's going to say, you can see process. That is the only task you need to do every day. You just go to the particular one that you chose. Okay, remember I chose this particular one, but if this is the one you chose, every day, just click on it once and you're going to click on that, go to finish, and that is all. Automatically you're going to have your profit every day. You can see here I have my profit here already. Okay, so you can see here, right, you can see this has increased to $8. Initially it was $7. Okay, so you can see I've gained $1.1 today, right? So that is how simple it is. Okay, let me quickly demonstrate how you can make your withdrawal. Okay, so you're going to come up here, you click on this, right? If you click on this here, it's going to show you, you can see I have $1 to withdraw. Like I rightly told you, provided you have $1, you can actually make your withdrawal. Okay, so here now I'm going to put in $1. Okay, I'm just using this as an example to show you guys, right? Then you're going to come down here, then you're going to put in your USDT TRC20 wallet. Okay, now if I come here, you can see I went to my Binance account. Okay, this is my wallet. I just copied this, my TRC wallet here. I came down here and I paste it here. Okay, so here you're going to put in your withdrawal password. Okay, let me quickly put in my withdrawal password. Okay, so here now what I'm going to be doing now is just to click on this confirm. Okay, if I click on confirm here, okay, you can see my withdrawal has gone successfully, right? So the next thing is this. I'm just going to get the funds in my Binance account. So that's how simple and easy it is for you to actually make quick funds from this project. Okay, now if you want to make more money, you can decide to invite your friends, your relatives, your business associates into this project and make more money. So you just come down here, you look at this team down here. Now when you click on this team, it's going to show you your levels here. Now the first person that you're going to be recruiting to this project, if the person comes in and deposit, you're going to be earning 9% of whatever that person actually deposit into this project. Okay, now if this person now invites another person, which is this level 2, you're going to be earning 3%. At your level 3, you're going to be earning 2%. Okay, so you can see that you can even make more money from the referral. So you're going to get your own link also as soon as you registered, okay, in this project. So you can see my own link here. I copy this link and I'm going to share it with my friends. You can share on Facebook, on WhatsApp, on Telegram, on TikTok, and get more people into this project and you make more money for yourself. Okay, I want to believe you understood everything I said concerning this project. So you can go ahead and do your own research about the project also. I'm not your financial advisor, so invest wisely. Okay, I actually just got a mail now and I believe that mail is from Binance. After I click on that withdrawal button, so I'm going to check up here. Okay, in the course of making this video, I just got this mail now. So you can see up here now, you can see Binance. You can see this up here. You can see I got this mail from Binance. So it means that I just got a deposit, right? I just got a deposit. Let me click on it. Let me click on it quickly. It's going to load, right? So you can see I just got a deposit. Your deposit of $1 is now available in your Binance account. You can see I just got the withdrawal that I made right now from this project. Okay, so you can see the project is okay. Okay, the link is going to be in the description of the video. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Remember, you have to subscribe to this channel if you've not done that before. Now please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and also please like this video. Okay, I want to say thank you for taking your time to watch the video. Do take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next one, and bye bye for now.